From Icon Siam to Asiatique by Ferry. We're leaving Icon Siam now. Picking up from our last video, we caught the Songkran concert. We're making our way back to the ferry pier of Icon Siam. Remember, the ferry to Sathorn Pier is 8 baht. We're on the ferry to Sathorn now. Goodbye, Icon Siam. Wow, even at night she looks amazing. Can you hear the wind blowing? Look at all the lights on the shore. It feels like we're traveling through space. That's a hotel ferry shuttle. These dinner cruise boats look like spaceships. And these hotel ferry shuttles look like celestial pagodas. We're reaching Sathorn Pier. Everyone can't wait to get off. The ferry pilot slows down as he reaches the pier. He uses the boat's inertia to glide forward. We can transfer to the Asiatique ferry at Sathorn Pier. We'll be right back. So we got off the first ferry, and now we're boarding the ferry to Asiatique. There it is. Unlike the ferry to Icon Siam, the Asiatique ferry is free of charge. Can you hear that? That's the sound of the floating jetty. Gotta quickly grab my seat. I'm trying to get a seat up front. Awesome. I'll sit here to get a good view. That's the Chao Phraya Express boat. Sathorn is a busy pier. The water is so dark and shiny, like black Newtonian fluid. Okay, I think we're moving off soon. I wonder what is that boat? It looks like it has a white flag. Comment below if you know what it is. We're arriving. There's Asiatique. It looks like a golden village. The ferry is turning around, so they can get closer. The iconic Ferris wheel is known as Asiatique Sky. Be right back. Getting off soon. We've arrived at Asiatique. We hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next video. We'll be exploring Asiatique together. Please like, follow, and subscribe.